Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about spider plant. As you know, spider plant is an indoor plant and indoor plants have several benefits. As you know, indoor plants improve indoor air, eliminate stress and boosts our mood. We can also use it for vertical planting, like all the spider plants that you see here. And these plants also grow really small cute flowers. And these flowers are really good mild fragrance. And do you know you can easily propagate spider plants? So today in this video I'll be telling you some basic care of spider plant. And I'll also tell you the reasons why some leaves are so dark and healthy while some leaves are so light. And also I'll be telling you about why some plants are not healthy at all and their reason. Like you can see, this plant in this pot is not healthy at all. So I'm going to be telling you the reason why this plant is not healthy. In this video I'll also show you how we take care of this plant and make it healthier. As you can see, this plant is planted in a very small pot. That's why my mom thought of repotting this. Can you see root bound? While repotting, my mom noticed the root bounds from the drainage holes. That's why my mom realized that the pot was way too small and we had to repot it into a bigger pot. So after taking the plant out, my mom cut the roots like this. And then she took a bigger pot. The pot was about 8 inches. Then my mom repotted the plant into the pot like this. Here she had also done some pruning of the plants. As you know, pruning is really necessary for helping the plant grow, as pruning helps in lateral branching. Therefore, this is how my mom repotted the plant with some new soil. Here you also saw some twigs that my mom cut while pruning. She is also going to plant that twig into a pot, which will help the twig grow into a really healthy plant as well. If you wish, you can also plant the spider plant in water. But planting it with soil will give you better results. Also make sure to keep it in a well-ventilated spot with enough sunlight for it to grow. And avoid overwatering the plant. This is because overwatering can cause root rot. And as you already know, root rot causes the death of the plant. I hope if you also take care of your plants this way, you'll also get really healthy plants. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.